morning. Kuya mo na Erishi is there. Oh, we going to drop. Ay, Palermo. Ala. No, we going to drop. Oh, very fast. And we're going in Erishi. I'm sleepy. Tanto library in the road mo, no? Mersala. Yeah. Po. Che buona giornata. I hope not piube mo na. Until April. At home? Makify? Ah. Ah, sila ay Matena. Matena o Pomerigio? Matena. You need to early because, you know, they stuck there. So, tanto tiempo to waiting. O, porse. We will see. 8 a.m. What time they open?
I think 8:30.
Oh, 8:30. Hamurit sila the where? Guarda. The verde, mamma mia. The people gardening like rice or haloso. Tanto oliva mo, no? Oliva. Guarda, that's olive. You see here is like summer but still cold. You see Ramosa. Ay, Mamosa? Mimosa. Bella Mimosa. Oh, we just dropping. We're driving 30 minutes. We're going to the new, new mall. We have a mall here, but in Trapani, new mall. Maybe we have find there the Filipino foods like dried fish, like fishy, char. Yun si Anggura Mimosa. I think late mo, no? Guarda. Makibela there mana. Tanto casa here. Pwede have the garden, no? Kabilisima, no? Where they buy the foods? Groceries like perché Piccolino lontano mercatino. Trapani 20 minuto.
6 minutes.
Mag-10 premier. 6 minuto. O GC porse. And we are going to the, oh wow, do you see? This is the garden. You know what is it? Tanto mimosa, amore. Mi piacito get mo rin yun. Oh, guarda.